Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got another sexy 69 Camaro right here, and it's got a 427 under the hood, and the body's been off the frame for restoration. Everything under the car looks new to me. You go to volocars.com, you can read all the specs, study all the pictures top to bottom, and you'll get the price. Not only on this one, but we do have a few hundred collector cars, all for sale. Visit volocars.com, and that's where you'll find them. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, you'll be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, join me for a spin in the 69 Camaro. First thing we should address is the color. Very unique color. I think it's sharp looking. It's like a British racing green, I think is the closest thing I can think of to it. It sits so proud on those chrome staggered size wheels, bigger in the back. It's just got a nice stance. Spoilers, cowl hood, hockey stick stripe, the exterior trim package, that's all this extra chrome, no vinyl top. A good looking car. I was very pleased with the underside, might be the best part of the car. It's frame off restored, which means they took the subframe out. The whole front end is redone. The spindles, the ball joints, the steering mechanisms, the shocks, the springs, the control arm bushings, all of the front end components look, I want to say brand new because that means it was done today, but very, very recent, all fresh and clean. Same with the rear suspension. The springs look new, the bushings, the shocks, they look like they've been replaced recently. You look up at the motor, it's fresh. It's nice, bright Chevy orange, nice and clean. The starter, the oil filter is clean. It's got a chrome flywheel cover, a chrome turbo 400. I should say it's a turbo 400 trans with a chrome pan. Everything attached to the transmission is clean. The trans is clean. The little module on the side, the trans mount, all that looks fresh. The U-joints in the drive shaft look fresh. It has a 336 12-bolt posi in the back with a chrome cover. It's got a really nice custom exhaust. Looks like some fat pipes, probably 2.5 inch. It has the X pipe, and it has welded stainless steel mufflers. You'll hear it in a minute. It sounds really good. The brake system looked all new. Disc in front, and the calipers and the backing plate, and all that looks new. The hoses, the brake lines look new. The emergency brake cables are new. The fuel system looks new, and the fuel lines and fuel pump and the straps. It does have an electric fuel pump now. And then the floors are just really clean. Nice, clean, smooth metal. The inner rockers, the lower inner quarters, all nice, clean metal with a nice, smooth, satin finish, black finish. And of course, they put the subframe back in with new bushings. So under the car is really, really nice. Nicer than most. The body is real nice. I just went around it, kind of wiped it down, and it's straight everywhere. It fits real nice. You see the gaps are real good. Everything's real nice, all metal, all smooth. No issues, like up in here is a problem area. It looks really nice. I have actually nothing bad to say about the body. If I had to pick on something, the hood sticks up a little bit. That's really about it. And that's minor. The stripes are put on properly. They mess those up sometimes. The grille, the emblems, the spoiler, these lenses, the bumper, all that looks new up front here. The emblems look new. Mirrors and handles aren't new, but they're very nice. The glass, some of the glass has some spotting on it. I think the windshield's new. The back glass has some water spots that are kind of on there. The wheels, they're US mags. They're 18s in front, 20s in back. They're so new that the tires still have the nubs on the tread. The door jambs are really clean. We haven't got the new weather strip on it yet, so that will be put on. The sill plates are in. Those look new. Got a rear spoiler. It's blacked out, with the SS trim. Bumper looks new. Just a nice, clean, all metal trunk with a spatter finish paint. This is painted up real nice. The weather strip and the trunk latch are both new. I'm going to say the interior, I call it good. The dash pad is new and it fits real nice, but the instrument panel around the gauges and all that, the console, it's all real good condition, original, so it's not new. The door panels, at a glance, you would say they're new, but when you look, there's a couple nicks over on that side in the door panels. The rear seats, excellent. Front seats look like they've been recovered, and there's a few little wrinkles. Same thing with the headliner. It looks new, but there's some small wrinkles in the headliner. It does have a rosewood deluxe wheel, and it's got a modern stereo with the Bluetooth. The motor, 427, with that fat exhaust is your stereo, though. The engine compartment is nice and clean. You got gloss under the hood, and the whole engine bay is all satin black. The metal's all smooth. It's not layers and layers of spray paint that's flaking off. The motor, very desirable. The casting code on the back ends in 512. That's a very desirable 427 block. Also, that's same as a 454 LS6 block. But we got a 427 in here. It's got a high-performance cam, Edelbrock intake, Holley carb, long tube, ceramic-coated headers. Carpets are real nice. There's power steering, power brakes. The booster is cadmium plated, and the master and the lines, all that looks fairly new. Looks like a new wiring harness. The wiper motor looks new. The regulator, the horns look new. The battery's bolted down. It's got new chrome valve covers, air cleaner, and timing chain cover. The alternator, bracket, hoses, all that looks real nice. It's got the clutch fan with the proper shroud. It is an upgraded aluminum radiator. So very nice motor compartment too. Here's the electric fuel pump. Those stainless mufflers gives it kind of that European sports car sound. It has a unique sound. Well, you can hear that fuel pump door shuts nice. I like that. It's got a healthy motor. So there you have it. I think it's an exciting car. It's got a nice stance. It's got a great look. It's frame off restored. 427 motor. The paint is really polished out really nicely. Very smooth and slick. Anyway, go to volocars.com. I just gave you my impression of this car right here. Plenty of ways on there to contact the salesman. If you have any specific concerns or questions, feel free to ask them. They can also make the financing, delivery, paperwork real easy for you. Visit volocars.com if you're interested in this car or any other car we have. If you just enjoy watching the videos, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be the first to see the next one that's posted. Thanks for watching.